Hey guys, it's me, Kimberly. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, whether you are new or just coming back for more. If you are new, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. If you're not, welcome back. I appreciate it. I'm glad you stuck around. It's been a minute since I did a video. I only got to do one Halloween video. Yeah, it was a bit rough, so I had some great look. I didn't even get to do my most, I had one super amazing look that I wanted to do, and I didn't get to do it. So, but I'll just have to wait till next year. It'll be a surprise though, because I'm not going to tell you. I wrote it down so I won't forget. Anyway, today we are doing Boxycharm unboxing. Finally, the last 3 ones, I just saw them sitting on my vanity one day and was like, oh, there's 3 or 4 unopened Boxycharms. I guess I'd better just open them and didn't have time to film, so yeah, I just got tired of seeing them sitting everywhere. So we're going to open up this one. This is the November box. Yeah, it's November, so it's November. I literally just got back, checked the mail, and it was in the mailbox, so. Ooh. I see something glittery and gold. I don't know what it is. Let's see. Oh. I guess they would make it gold. So the theme this month is Gold Digger. It's super glittery and gold on there. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm in heaven right now. I love gold things and I love glittery things. Glitter is the best thing in the world, which is why I named this channel This Glittering Adventure, because I freaking love glitter and I pretty much think everything is an adventure. So these are Luxie brushes. Does this set have a name? They're the Luminous Eye set. And they retail for $21. So it looks like there's 4 eye brushes in here. Can I open it to show you what the brushes look like up close? Maybe I can, maybe I can't. Come on, get out of there. Come on, little brush. You can do it. I believe in you. Sorry guys, I have spent the entire day with my wife celebrating her birthday, so I'm a little bit hyped up. I normally don't get to spend an entire day with her. Normally I get to spend an entire day alone in my basement doing homework. So it has been nice. So it looks like we've got some kind of brush here. I don't even know what that is. Just kind of round and short. Let's see. Mini round brush. Oh, it's a smudging brush. Great for the lower lash line. And then there's this angled but kind of flat. Mini flat angled brush. If I can talk. It's to help blend or pack on cream products. Ooh, I'll try that. And then we've got an angled crease brush and just a fluffy crease brush. All the good things. They're all just really little though. Go back in the bag. The bag's already got makeup on it. My vanity is seriously a mess like you would not believe. Maybe I'll show you, maybe I won't. So, Lashaholic Luxury Lashes. So this is the packaging. Super cute. And it's got gold glitter all along it. Let's see what they look like. What does that say? Ready, set, get addicted? That's cute. And then those are the lashes. What do they look like? Okay, kind of wispy. I dig it. It's cute. They're Instaglam lashes, and they retail for $14.99. I love lashes. I'm down for it. This is Jean de Bleu, which I just pronounce it like that because I see the little accent on it, and it makes me think of French class, and I don't know if that's actually how it's supposed to be pronounced. So it says this is glittering star eyeliner. Long-lasting, intense black color. I would assume it has gold glitter in it, though. Because, I mean, look at that packaging. Focus. Focus. Can you see it? I'm not sure if it's focusing or not. That's better. This black glitter eyeliner, yeah, retails for $5. That's actually not a bad price for liner. I'll have to try it out, see if it's good or not. Ooh, Cover FX glitter drops. Oh, here's the box. In case you wanted to see what it looks like before I open it. Ooh, oh my goodness. The bottle's really cold because it's been outside in my mailbox. But this looks beautiful. It says shake it up. I think it might be frozen. Ultra concentrated drops of multi-dimensional glitter can be used alone, under, or over makeup, mixed into foundation or moisturizer. I don't think I want to look glittery like all over my face. And it retails for $44. Hopefully that was enough shaking. Come on, focus so I can do the cool little pull up. Oh, there we go. Look at it. That looks awesome. Now let's actually put some on my hand. Stop trying to focus on my face. Come on, camera. There we go. Oh my goodness. Look at that gold. It's just... ooh, so glittery. So... ooh, so shiny. Oh my god, I feel like an alien. I'm a gold alien. Now I see why you would want to put it all over your face. Can you imagine putting that all over your face and just being a gold alien? Like, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but it's gonna be something amazing. Now I'll get off my hand. Okay, good enough. Okay, we got one more thing in here. Just close that back up. And this is the Ace Beaute Grandiose palette. It looks like Roaring 20s, like Great Gatsby or something. 4 shimmer shades, 4 bold mattes. Get out of the box. There we go. And it retails for $24.99. So it's got the same pattern on the actual packaging of the palette. Ooh, okay. So that same kind of style of design is on the top half. Super cute. And then here is the 4 colors. So definitely very 20s feel to this, and I'm loving all the pink and like the wine color, the poppy is what it's called, and the gold. I love like pinks, wines, and golds. I don't know why, those are just like beautiful eye colors to me. Okay, so that is everything in the box. I guess I should have been adding this up so I can tell you how much it retails for and tell you all about Boxycharm. So let's see. Glitter drops, $44. Palette, $24.99. We're gonna go for $25. Luxie brush, $21. Jaunt Bleu, $5. And $14.99, which is basically $15. Okay, so everything that I got in this box comes to a total value of $110, but I only paid $21 for it, which you know if you've watched any of my Boxycharm unboxings or know anything about Boxycharm. But just in case you don't, Boxycharm is a beauty subscription box that sends you 5 full-size products every single month. You never get a travel-sized product, which is what I love about them, because I hate getting like trial-sized products or just like really mini samples. I'm like, I paid money for I can get these samples for free at Ulta or Sephora. Why would I pay money for it? So I love getting full-size stuff. Get to try it out. Don't have to pay full price. It's just like a really great box. I'm not like sponsored or anything. I just really love them, so I keep getting them. Like I don't cancel my account. If you want to sign up, I will have a link down below. It is like a referral link that just every subscriber to Boxycharm gets, and then you share it with your friends and you get points. So I would be very grateful if you used it. And yeah, that is it for this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!